Hi and welcome to another SwiftUI programming tutorial on Serial Coder Dev channel on YouTube. In this video, I'll talk about text, the most common kind of content that apps contain. In particular, I'm going to demonstrate how to apply a specific technique, which is how to truncate displayed text and show just a part of it. As you are going to find out in the next few minutes, truncating text in SwiftUI is a quite easy job, and there are two ways to manage that. None of them actually tampers with the actual string value, but they both affect the way it's presented. So, let's jump into some code where, as you can see, I have a long string value displayed in the text view. On the canvas, you can also see the space all this text occupies. The first and most common way to truncate displayed text is by using the line limit view modifier. It becomes quite clear what this modifier does just by the name. I'm going now, right after the text view, to apply it. See that it expects one mandatory argument, which is the number of the lines to display. In this example, I will limit it to 3 lines. After doing that, check out the canvas and how the displayed text changes. You will also notice that there are 3 dots, the ellipsis symbol, added automatically to the end of the text, indicating that there is more of it which is not visible. We can also pass nil to line limit modifier. See that when doing so, no actual limit is applied and the text view grows as much as needed, just like it originally does. That's useful in cases you want to limit lines conditionally, and there are certain conditions under which the text view should show the full text. Having said that, let's switch back to 3 lines again and focus a bit on the so-called truncation mode. See that by default the 3 dots are appended to the end of the text, just right where the truncation occurs. However, there might be situations where the truncation should happen either at the beginning or the center of the string. You can define that using another view modifier, the truncation mode. In the parentheses, I'm pressing the dot key to let Xcode suggest possible arguments. See that there are 3 of them, head, middle and tail, describing the position of the truncation point. The default truncation mode is tail, but we can change that by choosing any of the other values. For instance, I'm setting the middle value here. See on the canvas that the 3 dots are now displayed in the new truncation point. If the default truncation mode is good enough for your use cases, then there is no need to use the truncation mode view modifier at all. Otherwise, it's here to apply it in the text view and set the appropriate mode. Now, let me show you the second method that results to text truncation. At first, I'll comment out these 2 lines to revert text appearance back to its original state. Now, I'm going to truncate text by limiting the space the text occupies. For that, I will simply set a specific height using the frame view modifier. See that text is truncated once again. And as before, you can also use the truncation mode view modifier to alter the default truncation point. So, these are 2 ways to truncate text quickly in SwiftUI, and how you can put the truncation mode in the mix. Of course, it's possible to programmatically change the original string and get a substring of it, but that's something we'll probably talk about in another video. Right below in the description you will find a link to a text tutorial of mine on the same topic. And in there you will also get a taste of how to get a substring of the original text. So, here we come to the end of this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you haven't done yet, it's time to subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos that will come next. Thank you for watching and enjoy coding using SwiftUI.